Hi everyone, how are you today? I wanted to come on here and share with you what came in our awesome monthly wellness box that we get from Young Living. So we got some great products and I wanted to share with you real quick about them. It's hard to make these fast because I get so many good things and I get so excited about them that I just want to tell you all about them. But I'll try and make it fast in the interest of time so it doesn't take too much time. So the first one that I got is called Essential Zyme 4. I know it's hard with the light to see the product. There you go. Essential Zyme 4. I watched an amazing video by Carla Green. She's Adam Green's mom, Royal Crown Diamond, and her video talked about the 4 pillars of health and how important it is to not only have your Ninja Red, but your omega-3s and your probiotics, which I do all those 3 things already, but I have not been taking an enzyme, and sometimes my digestive system tells me that I think I should be. So the Essential Zymes 4 is this is regular Essential Zyme. That's the one I chose for myself. So Essential Zymes, enzymes to help you digest your food. The next thing I got was, along the same lines, Digest and Cleanse. So this is a supplement that I don't use every single day, but maybe after a weekend of camping or a weekend of eating and drinking not so healthy, these are great to take to help you just kind of flush out some of the stuff that maybe you shouldn't have consumed, right? Okay, so next is the Inner Defense. This one is one we use a lot more in the winter than we do in the summer because it strengthens your immune system, and that's when we really need our immune support. So this is one, they suggest taking 1 capsule for maybe the first 7 days of a month. But what I like to have it on hand in the house, even with the spring and summer coming up, because you never know when you're just going to need a little bit of anti. If you know what I'm saying, we don't use prescriptions, so if you just need your body to fight something off, this will help your body fight things off. So it's going to strengthen your immune system and make sure that there's nothing going on that shouldn't be in your body. All right, next, let's move over to skincare. I got the Orange Blossom Facial Wash. So this is a new product for me. I have been using the Art Skincare system, which I love, but I wanted to try everything in the product line. And I've heard great things about this one. This one I've heard is great for teens. And it's really cost effective too, because this bottle will last many months when you put it in a foaming pump bottle. So you'll put maybe a couple of tablespoons in the foamer and then fill the rest with water, and this will last you a really long time. So good stuff here. I'm excited to try it. I haven't even smelled it yet. It's sealed though. I'll smell it later. So next, another new product for me. I've been with Young Living for over 3 years. I've been on Essential Rewards for over 3 years, and yes, I'm still trying new products every single month, because that just tells you not only how diverse our product line is, but I mean, there's something for everyone with Young Living. So this is the Ninja Berry Syrup. I'm really excited to try this, maybe a special weekend on some homemade pancakes or waffles, and I've seen a lot of fun recipes too with this, so a lot healthier than your store-bought syrup. Gross. With all that high fructose corn syrup. Ugh. Okay, next we have our Deep Relief. Who loves Deep Relief? Woo, woo. Give me some hearts for that, some thumbs for that. Everyone loves Deep Relief. Like, this is so awesome. It should come in the starter kits, you guys. If you haven't gotten your Deep Relief, you need to put it on your order, like ASAP. The name says it all. My husband loves it. It gives him instant relief when he puts it on his temples. He loves it on his back. It's just awesome. My older son grabs it all the time off the rack too. We just love this stuff. Next is cedarwood. So cedarwood is great for sleep. It helps your body produce more It supports your body's natural production of melatonin. So we diffuse this in the bedrooms a lot at night. It's great for boys' hormones as well. We have 2 boys. So we love our cedarwood, and it's so inexpensive. Like, it's the bomb. Just get some cedarwood. Now, it's not the favorite smelling oil. I will warn you of that. But it's amazing. It's so good for skin. It's so good for so many things. You got to get you some cedarwood. Next is goldenrod. I've been just stocking up. We're only allowed 1 a month, so I've been just stocking up because this was out of stock for so long. Like, I'm just afraid for it to go out of stock again. So every month I'm just grabbing me a bottle of goldenrod. It's like 14 bucks. And you can do your research. We always wink when we talk about the name goldenrod. Just break it apart, put it together. You get what I mean. Next is valerian. So this is another new one for me because it was out of stock for so long. Like, I think it was out of stock ever since I've been a member, and it just came back in stock, and I'm so excited. And I opened it up last night to smell it. It's my first time. And I was like, wow, it smells so unique. Like, the smell is so complex. I put a couple of drops. I don't even want to now because this, holy crap, you guys, this made me so relaxed. I tried it last night after the kids went to bed. I put a drop or 2 in my hand. I rubbed it around and I smelled it. And I was like, oh, weird. It smells like leather. Oh, weird. It smells like, and I'm like, it made me think of all these different things that it smelled like. Every time I smelled it, it smelled like something different. This is probably the most complex smelling oil, I think, in my personal experience. But so then I sat down to start doing some reading, and I literally started falling asleep, and that never happens to me, like never. This, like, oh my gosh, I was so relaxed. It was almost as if I'd taken some melatonin or something. Whoa, you seriously got to get you some valerian, and I'm excited to stock up on this every single month. If you guys are not ordering your valerian on your account, let me know because we're only allowed 1 a month of these 2, and I just discovered it's the bomb. Next is, okay, I'm going to do a separate video on this one because I just started using Cortistop. I know another friend just did a video on Cortistop, and I have like the biggest testimonial, and I don't have time to tell it to you now, but stay tuned because I'm going to tell you more about Cortistop and how amazing, incredible, like life-changing this stuff is. Everything else was free. Like, who doesn't love freebies? If you guys aren't on the Essential Rewards program yet, you seriously need to be. You're making a huge mistake because not only is it, you get cheaper shipping, it's like the most cost-effective way to get your stuff. You get so many freebies with your orders every month. They just throw in free stuff, and then you earn your points too. Like, I'm getting 25% back in points. So, woo woo for Essential Rewards. Like, seriously, what store gives you 25% back when you go shopping there? I know Kohl's doesn't. We get like 2% at Costco. I mean, whoopee, it doesn't even pay for our membership. So, like, seriously, it's the best rewards program of anywhere. Seriously, I'm not joking. So we got dryer balls. If you guys don't know about dryer balls, just type it into the subject line of one of these groups because there have been some really fun discussions on dryer balls and how important it is to not be using dryer sheets because they are like the most toxic thing in your home. Yeah, they put chemicals all over your clothing, which touches your skin. Your sheets touch your skin all night. I mean, nasty. So switch to dryer balls. You're going to save a ton of money, and then you can just put your oils on them and make your clothes smell great. Everything else here, again, was free. Allerzyme, another new one for me. I've never used Allerzyme before. You can tell by the first part of the description what it might do for you. But again, it's an enzyme, so it's going to help you digest your carbohydrates and your foods better. Next we have tea tree. For some reason, I have a lot of tea tree. But tea tree is just a staple. I've been using it in my laundry a lot lately. Anything like stinky with odors. If you guys have like dogs or anything, we don't, but if you guys are looking to get rid of odors in your laundry, use your tea tree. Today I'm soaking my workout gloves in some Thieves Cleaner and tea tree. Sometimes I'll soak my sports bra in it. I don't like to diffuse it because I don't like the smell of it, but I use it like to cleanse and purify things. It's great on your toes too if you need that support. What else do we get free? Fennel. So fennel is another one for our digestive support, and it's got a unique smell. It's growing on me. I'll put like 1 drop in the diffuser or stuff. Sometimes I put it in my foaming hand soap too. Good stuff. And then basil, yum! So you can make, like, this is Basil Vitality, so you can eat this. How yummy! So you can make your, we make cooking salts. We infuse them with the essential oils. Lemon basil cooking salts is a great way to dilute your cooking oils so that it's not as strong. Sometimes when you put one drop in the recipe, it's just too strong. But mix the salts with the oils, and then that's one way you can like kind of dilute it in your recipe and still get that flavor and the health benefits. So enjoy your basil. This one was free. You only had to spend 100 PV. So it's a good one to get this time of year. Look up the health benefits on it too. All right, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the information, and let me know if you have any questions. I love to hear from you, and have a good day. Take care. Bye.